Welcome, beautiful souls. My name is Nicole. I am a high priestess, an integrative healing arts practitioner, and welcome to my channel, Black Dove Sanctum. This is a sacred space where ritual, magic, spirituality meets holistic healing. I am so glad you are here at this moment created just for you. Don't be mistaken. You've arrived exactly where you're meant to be, when you're meant to be. Before we begin, I invite you to take a moment to find a comfortable position, a space where you can either choose to sit or lie down and allow your body to settle. And as you settle in, let your breath soften. Let your shoulders relax. Let your mind begin to quiet. This space is here for your healing, your grounding, and your awakening. So as you listen, allow the sound, the light, and the rhythm of your breath guide you gently inward. And when you're ready, after taking a few deep breaths in and exhaling, we'll begin our journey together. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Feel your body softening, your mind becoming quiet, your energy settling into a peaceful rhythm. In a moment, I will begin counting down, and with each descending number, your comfort deepens, your relaxation expands, and your inner world becomes beautifully open and receptive. 5. Drifting into softness, 4. Your breath flowing easily. 3. Your mind becoming spacious and calm. 2. Your whole being settling into peaceful openness. 1. Fully relaxed, fully supported, fully at ease. Imagine a soft, glowing path stretching out before you. Each step you take brings you into deeper clarity, deeper calm, deeper inner safety. You move along this path with ease, guided by your own inner wisdom. Ahead of you is a gentle, luminous doorway, a doorway that leads to deeper peace, deeper grounding, deeper alignment. Place your hand on the door. It feels warm, welcoming, safe. As you open it, a soft light fills the space around you, a light that represents comfort, clarity, and inner steadiness. This light surrounds you, softening tension, releasing heaviness, creating spaciousness within your mind and body. You feel yourself opening gently, naturally, in a way that supports your highest well-being. Your inner world becomes a place of ease, trust, gentle receptivity. Place your hand over your heart and allow these truths to settle within you. I am safe to relax. I am open to clarity. I welcome peace into my mind and body. My inner world supports my well-being. I trust the wisdom within me. A soft light glows within you, awakening calm, awakening clarity, awakening inner steadiness. From this moment forward, your mind relaxes more easily. Your body responds to calm with greater comfort. Your inner world feels grounded and safe. Your awareness expands in ways that support your well-being, and your connection to yourself becomes clearer and more natural. Your subconscious mind is aligned with peace. Your inner world supports your healing. Your energy settles into balance. In just a moment, I will count from 1 to 5. With each number, you return to full awareness, clear, grounded, refreshed, and aligned. 1. Feeling your body. 2. Bringing back clarity. 3. Integrating your calm. 4. Taking a deep, refreshing breath. 5. Eyes open, fully present, fully aligned. Welcome back. Take a few deep breaths in. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and if you need, drink a fresh, cool glass of water. Now reflect on your experience and remember, anything you need to recall, you will do so when needed. And as always, be good to yourself and each other. Until next time.